Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. Yes? Before going to the topic, I will say you some of exercise. Be ready students? Everyone stand. Stand. Hands up. Put your hands down. Hands up. Put your hands down. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Hands up. Put your hands down. 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 Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands. Stop. Stop. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Stand. Sit. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Jump. Stop. Sit children. Take position. Coming to the point. What you learned yesterday? Word problems in exercise 4.3. Yes. Workbook writing you are writing. Yes. Take out your workbook everyone. Complete that part. Workbook part children. Yesterday completed 18th one. Yes. Now 19th one. Long answer questions. Sugata has 22 red roses and 39 pink roses. How many roses does she have in all? Solve in mental. What she had? Roses. Which roses she has? Red roses and pink roses. How many red roses? 22 red roses. How many pink roses? 39 pink roses. Yes. Number of red roses. How many? 22. Number of pink roses. How many? 39. Yes. So, total number of roses is equal to 22 plus 39. What is that answer? Tell me. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place you should add. Yes. Now, ones place. 9 plus 2 plus 9. Otherwise 9 plus 2. How much? 11. 11 like that only should write? No. 1 year carry forward to tens place 1. Yes. Again in tens place. Which number is there? 2 plus 3 plus 1. Yes. What is that number? See. 3 in the mind take 1 finger. 3 after 4. 4 in the mind take 2 fingers. 4 after 5 6. 6. Here 11. Here 6. 61 is the answer. As children. Next. 20th one. Manju has 63 white sheets and 42 yellow sheets of papers. How many sheets of papers does she have in all? Solve mentally. See, Manju has white sheets. How many? 63 white sheets. How many yellow sheets? 42 yellow sheets. What you have to do? You should find 2 full sheets of papers. Understood? Both papers you should add. In all means what? You should add. 20th one. See, number of white sheets. How many? Number of white sheets? 22. S. Sorry. 63. Number of white sheets how many? 63. Number of yellow sheets. How many? 42. Yes. So, total number of sheets is equal to 63 plus 42. What you have to do? Again, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. First you should add ones place. What is that in ones place? 3 plus 2. 3 in the mind, take 2 fingers. 3 after, 4, 5. That 5 should write in ones place. Yes, tens place you should add now. See, 6 plus 4. 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10. That 10 should write here. What is that answer? 105 is the answer. Okay, copy. Copy in the workbook, children. Copy properly. Now 21st one. Short answer questions. Higher order thinking skills, children. Add mentally. What they given? 21st. Add mentally. See, 17, 26 and 37. What you have to do? You should add first these two numbers. After that, which answer will come, that answer you should add in this number. Okay. What you have to do? You should add first these two numbers. 17 plus 26. Sum of 17 and 26. First you should add these two numbers. Okay. 17 plus 26. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Yes. Now, ones place. Which numbers are here? Tell me. 7, 6. 7 in the mind. Take 6 fingers. 7 after. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 like that only should write? No. 3 here, 1 carry forward. Yes. Here. Tens place. Which number is here? 1, 2, 1. 1 to 1. 1 in a take 2 in the mind, take 1 fingers. 2 after 3. 3 in the mind, take 1 finger. 3 after 4. That 4 you should write here. What is that answer? 43 is the answer. Now this answer you should add in this number. Which number is there? 37. Yes. In the 37 you should add 43. Sum of 43 and 37. See what you have to do? You should add 43 plus 37. Again ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Should add first ones place. 7 plus 3. 7 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 7 after. 8, 9, 10. 10 like that only should write? No. 0 here, 1 carry forward. Okay. Now which number is here? 4, 3, 1. 4, 3, 1. As 4 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind, take 1 finger. 7 after 8. That 8 you should write. What is that answer now? 80 is the answer. Therefore, sum of 17, 26 and 37 is equal to 80. Understood, children? Is 80. Understood what you did here? You added 17 and 26 first. After that answer, see which answer that came. In that answer you added 37. What is that answer? Total answer 80 is the answer. If we add 17 plus 26 plus 37, which number will come? Total 80 will come. Understood, children? Okay, next sum. What is that sum? 22nd one. A1. See, 52, 12 and 31. As now, sum of 52 and 12. See what you have to do, you should add 52 plus 12. 52 plus 12. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. As ones place you should add first. 4. 2 plus 2. 2 in a mind, take 2 fingers. 2 after 3, 4. That 4 should write in ones place. Again tens place you should add. 5 in the mind, take 1 finger. 5 after 6. What is that answer? 64. In this 64, you should add 31. Again, sum of 64 and 31. Again, 64 plus 31. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. You should add ones place first. 4 plus 1. 4 in the mind, take 1 finger. 4 after 5. 5 you should write in ones place. Again tens place. You should add 6 plus 3. 6 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. That 9 you should write here. What is that sum? What is that answer came? 95. Total. If you add, therefore, sum of, see, 52, 12 and what is that number? 31 is 95. Understood, children? Copy in the workbook, ma'am. First you should add 2 numbers. After that, which answer will come, in that answer you should add another number. Understood, children? Copy in the workbook. Children, B1. 22nd B1. 65, 48 and 27. First what you have to do, again you should add these 2 numbers. You should add starting 2 numbers. Okay. Sum of 65 and 48 is equal to 65 plus 48. Okay. Now see, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. We should add first ones place. 8 plus 5. 8 in the mind, take 5 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 like that only should write? No. What you have to do? You should write here 3, 1 carry forward to tens place. Yes. Now, tens place you should add. 6 in a mind, take 4 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in a mind, take 1 finger. 10 after 11. That 11 should write here. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. What is that answer? 113 is the answer. In this number, you should add 27. That's why you should write sum of 113 and 27. Now see, this is 3-digit number, this is 2-digit number. That, okay, see, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now only ones place you should add. Okay, ones place. 7 in a mind, take 3 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10. 10 like that only should write? No. 0 here. 1 carry forward to tens place. Now tens place you should add. In tens place which number is here? 1, 2, 1. 1 in a mind, take 2 fingers. 1 after 2, 3. 3 in a mind, take 1 finger. 3 after 4. That 4 you should write in tens place. Now hundreds place here. Any number is here? No. Here nothing is there. But here is there 1. That 1 you should write here. Understood, children? What is that answer? What is that answer? 140. See, listen. Here only 2-digit number is here. Here 3-digit number. That's why what you did? You added ones place and tens place. But in hundreds place any number is here? No. That's why you wrote this one here. Understood, children? 140 is the answer. Therefore, see, therefore 65, 48 and 27 is 140. Sorry, therefore sum of 65, 48 and 27 is 140. Sorry, children. See, therefore, sum of 65, 48 and 27 is 140. Understood, children? Copy in the workbook. Children, already you learned 2-digit number, 3-digit number, add in mentally. Yes. Now 4-digit number. Okay. Add 4-digit numbers. Without regrouping. See, first one 4383 plus 2423. Okay. What you have to do? You should add ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Yes, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. First you should add ones place. 3 plus 3. 3 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 you should write in ones place. Next, tens place you should add. 8 in the mind, take 2 fingers. 8 after 9, 10. 10 like that only should write? No. 0 here, 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Yes, now you should add hundreds place. 3 plus 4 plus 1. Yes. Now, 3 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind, take 1 finger. 7 after 8. That 8 you should write in hundreds place. Yes. Now, thousands place you should add. 4 in the mind, take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. That 6 you should write in thousands place. Yes. What is that answer? 6806 is the answer. Understood, children? Understood what we did? We added first ones place, after that tens place, after that hundreds place, after that thousands place. Understood? Next, second one. 5384 plus 6415. Again what you have to do? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. Now you should add ones place first. 4 plus 5. 4 in the mind, take 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That 9 you should write in ones place. Yes. Again, tens place you should add. 8 in the mind, take 1 finger. 8 after 9. That 9 should write in tens place. Okay. Next, you should add hundreds place. 3 plus 4. 3 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. That 7 you should write in hundreds place. Now you should add thousands place. 5 in the mind, take 6 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That 11 you should write in thousands place. See? 11,799 is the answer. Understood, children? Now, again, what you have to do? Again, I will write the question, okay? You should add this. Now, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Any place, if you give any digit number, you can add easily. Understood, children? If you know addition, you can do anything. See, ones place, 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. 4 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. That 8 should write in ones place. Again, tens place you should add. 3 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. That 6 you should write in tens place. Now hundreds place you should add. 6 plus 6. 6 in the mind, take 6 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 like that only should write? No. 2 here. You should carry forward to thousand place 1. Again you should add thousands place. 4 plus 5. 4 in the mind, take 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. The mind, take 1 finger. 9 after 10. The 10 you should write here. What is the answer? 10,268 is the answer. Understood, children? How you did two-digit number, three-digit number, like that only, four-digit also. Understood, children? Copy in the classwork. Children, this is your homework. Copy in the homework book and do it. Do the sums, okay? Should do in the homework book, ma.